this? What is this? It's what? This boy's a Florida boy. Excuse me, sir? This doesn't look like Florida.
Oh my, I got catfish. Your Tinder profile's completely different.
I knew I could get you. Well, as you can see, my damn Tinder date was a lie. This is some bullshit. So get in here. I gotta move my car because today is going to be a fun day. Ooh, that battery was struggling. Ooh, did you guys hear that? That battery was struggling. That's a little concerning. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, that's concerning. We'll have to look into that. All right. Come in. Stop. All right. Keep coming in. Keep coming. Yep. Go this way just a hair. Yep. Straight. Keep coming up. Stop. Frankie.
Left light.
Look at that sweet little camera. What the heck is that for?
My GoPro?
Is that what you use to shoot your gay porn on?
Well, yeah, because it's waterproof.
Oh, okay. Make sure. Oh my God. All right. That's Jesus. Okay, guys. So this is Frankie's car, aka the POS, piece of shit. Frankie drove the whole way from Florida. Like he just got up here last night, right?
Yeah, right. Just all 24 hours of that drive, all in one shot.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Boom. It's the first time actually seeing this car, and it is really nice.
Because I live on a dirt road, so.
Oh yeah, that's a killer.
Dude, it sucks.
Oh my God.
Wait till you see inside the wheel wells. They used to be spotless, like yours.
Well, especially we're in Florida, where everything's paved in Florida.
Oh my God.
Like it's just totally, that sucks, man.
Yeah, but I also had really trashy neighbors in Florida, and now I have acres of land, and I can take a pee in my backyard and not have to worry about it.
That's amazing. No one's gonna be able to see it anyway, so I mean, I wouldn't be worried about it.
Super small. It's so small.
Dude, it is so clean. Like the paint job looks so good, dude. All right, so today, what's going on is Frankie's here, because Frankie, can we just show them? I don't want to even say, let's just show them.
Yeah.
So back here, guys, what is that? Look at those. So he ordered some beautiful HKS coilovers for his car. Are these the 4s or the 5s? HKS Hypermax 4s? I don't even know which ones are out now. Look at those.
So pretty.
So pretty. They are 5s, right there.
Oh, no, there's an I in front of that.
Oh shit, never mind.
There's 4s.
Damn it.
Reading's hard.
Reading is hard.
Especially when you grew up in Pennsylvania.
Yeah, well, I mean, that explains it both of us then, huh? So this car is wrapped, guys. It's hard to tell because obviously he painted the engine bay, but the rest of the car is wrapped, and it's this, what do you even call the color? What would you?
Sting Gray.
It's what?
Sting Gray.
That's that red? It's called Stingray?
Oh, the red?
Yeah, what's a red?
No, that's like a ruby pearl. I have no clue. It's not the stock color. The stock color is red.
Oh, okay.
So the original owner wrecked it in '99, rear-ended someone, and then she painted the whole car. Remember it had ghost flames and everything? Yeah, they're still on there.
Wow.
Because it's underneath.
Oh, that's right. Yes.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put that up right here. Yeah, that's what it used to look like till it got wrapped. It was interesting.
I'll show you the picture of when it was plasti dipped when I got it too.
Oh God, yes, please send me those.
It was coming off in little 1 centimeter pieces all around the back here.
Dear Jesus.
But I've already talked to InChain Designs about redoing this bumper.
What's wrong with the bumper?
Look, it's peeling here. There's a bubble here. All down here, it's starting to peel up.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Because it's so fast, it's just ripping the...
Yes. I will say, I'm actually really surprised. I like these seats. I'm assuming that's supposed to be red and it's just starting to turn pink.
Yeah.
Because I'm looking at it here.
It happened to the floor mats.
Good God, that shifter.
I know. I just kind of play with it while I'm driving.
Oh my God, is that the cube shifter? Yeah, and it is long because it's not designed for the Supra. It's meant to go, the Aristo has this much more room before the shifter comes up through, where ours, literally when you put the transit, it's almost hitting our tunnel.
I thought about having it cut and then machined new threads so it's shorter, but I actually like how quick I can go from the shifter to the steering wheel.
Nice. Yeah, it's nice, man.
It's way better than the stock shifter. The stock shifter was a pile of crap.
All right, let's get this thing up on the lift.
Okay.
So, got the wheels off. Unfortunately, my impact sockets didn't work, and he already broke some of my tools. So thanks for that. I appreciate that. It's very kind of you.
It's my special strength.
Yeah, he's got special strength, all right, but the car is actually really clean. Now you guys are saying, well, Ryan, why is it so dirty? Well, he unfortunately has to go back a dirt road, but if you're looking at from the parts are not screwed up, there's no rust or anything. Like the top of these suspension bushings on my car are destroyed. Like this car is really good condition. He's got stainless steel brake lines on his car also. The car is clean, clean, clean. His headlights are in a lot better condition than mine are also.
Those are brand new.
Yeah, see, that's nice. I see you had to cut your bumper here to fit your intercooler piping.
Yeah, because when I made the piping, I did it wrong, but I don't care about that bumper anyway, because if you look on the corner inside the wheel well, it's cracked. So I knew I was going to be getting a new bumper when it gets painted.
Yeah, I've been told that's common. Mine personally hasn't done it yet, but then again...
You have the metal brackets that run through the bottom of the bumper though, right?
Yeah.
That's why yours isn't doing it.
Gotcha. Damn, that sucks, man. All right, so what we need to do here is... Actually, we're going to do the front first, so we need to take the top. There's 3 14mm bolts on this side. Take those off, and then there should be only one bolt in the bottom, right there. We got to take out. And then that's where you gotta have the fun of snaking out. But with a lift, this is a lot easier. So let's go ahead and do it. Old coil is out, guys. Snaking it up in. You do have to take the top bolt out there. We're idiots and we had forgot about that.
Sorry.
Best believe you be side, boy.
There's really no room to work on these cars in here.
All right, I might have to help him here real quick. Oh, you got it there. Yep. There you go. Would you just look at it?
I guess we can throw this on to hold it for now. Because we gotta put the strut tower
Yep.
back on that bar.
That ass dude.
Oh, my brake pedal went.
Dude, guys, check out the shifter. Look at this thing. It's insane. Your car is clean, man. Super clean, actually.
Thank you.
Oh, 6-puck life. I don't miss that at all.
It's the worst.
Dude, and I hated that in my R154, but there's no, unless you go to a twin disc, but then you're like, why do I want to spend a lot of money on a twin disc for a transmission that can't even hold that much power?
I guess we could do first through second.
Yeah.
Destroy my tires.
That felt good, man.
Dude, I love this car.
That felt really good. How your brakes feel now? They feel any better or still the same?
Still the same.
mean,
But
still-
that didn't come on though.
Well, that's good. So it was actually running low. Oh man, I miss the old S366 noises that has that whistling. Like the new ones do not have that, dude. That sounds so good. Guys, can you hear that? Like just barely get, like just listen, guys. Oh, see, like mine does not do that. That goes away on the new S369, 66, all the S6E series. I love that noise.
I was told if you drill a hole, there's a hole you have to drill in your compressor housing.
Yeah.
It'll do it again. I'm gonna try that brake boosting.
right, guys, so we're back here now. We raised the backs up 6 turns. We did the front and lowered it 6 turns. Now Frankie wants to raise it 3 to 4 more turns in the rear because he wants a little bit more rake and just a little bit more safety room in case it rubs or anything, especially when going on the highway. Back roads is one thing, but when you start, going down the highway at 80 and you hit a bump, you just don't want to be popping the tire. So taking these back off and turning them back up. All right, guys, so he's turning up 4 more times here. And since they're fresh and new, look how easy it is to do that. How about it, Frankie?
I love this. 2.
There we go.
3.
One more for good luck. Come on, Jimmy, let's go. And we're good, that's it. All right, guys, so yes, I have my shirt off now. It's hot, really, really hot. That was fun. We had a good time. The last flyby there was Frankie, he hammered it. I can't believe how fast that car actually went. I was a little surprised. The car is on E85. He says around 24, 25 pounds of boost there. So, I mean, the car's still fun. That R154 has gone through hell and back and it's still holding up. I actually ended up doing around almost 275 miles to be exact yesterday. And I was having fun the entire time. I enjoy driving the car. I actually just posted on Facebook, on my personal Facebook, about this and saying I drive this car a ton. And I do have my buddy Steve, he'll give me crap. And be like, yeah, but it's only gonna live for so long. And he's right, it is only gonna live for so long. But I've got a lot of enjoyment out of it. I paid $1,750 for the engine back in 2013 or 2014, I can't remember. And that was with a big single turbo and everything. I sold all that and got the engine pretty much for free. So I can't complain. Yes, do I want it to last? Absolutely. Do I want it to blow up? No. But if it did, God forbid something would happen, to get mad at how long it's lasted, for how long I've been beating on it, that'd be kind of silly on my behalf. So I've been enjoying it. It was nice to see Frankie. He's now living up in the Pocono area towards Scranton, and it's cool to see him. It's a 3-hour drive down for him, and he drove 3 hours up. He had no issues also. It's also an AM Infinity car. But yeah, it was a fun time. Those HKS coils are nice. It makes me want to upgrade. I'm still on cheap Megans from, 7 years ago too. They're probably blown. It's probably time for them to go. So that's probably, not probably, it's on my list of upgrades along with this right now. And on that note, guys, thank you very much for tuning in today. I hope you like the new outro I started doing here too. Just something I whipped up the other day. So if you don't like it, let me know in the comments. If you do, cool, let me know. Thank you guys very much. I'm gonna finish this ice cold Keystone and go jump in the pool. Talk to you later. Peace.